I'm joined by Stephen Byers, who's the Managing Director at Ritec. Hello, Stephen. How's it going?
Yes, very well. Good week. Very good show.
Now, tell me why you're here exactly.
Well, we're being UK being our home market. We're London-based. We use the UK trade shows as either a launching ground, a launching pad, or a test bed for new concepts, for new developments. We always test drive them in the UK trade first before we roll them out to other countries, and we operate in about 24 countries around the world.
Wow. So the English are the best testers of these products.
Exactly. if we can sell it to the local people.
You can sell it to anyone. Now, talk to me a bit about the product. You're pushing the Eco Glass.
Well, we're basically pushing a new and improved system, and the system includes renovation of glass, very badly stained glass, discolored glass from weathering or corrosion, to the protection of the glass. And we pioneered 33 years ago this whole concept of durable, non-stick glass surface protection. We started this whole concept, and it's expanded from there. What we're here to do this week is launch the new ecosystem, which is greener and cleaner. It meets all the environmental regulations. It's the only technology for glass treatment that is not classified as hazardous for either environmental or health and safety reasons. It's still the only one after 33 years.
Wow.
And so what we're launching now is the new improved one with higher performance, higher stability. That's the next generation. It's basically the next generation of technology.
So you've been doing this for a while, as we've said, and we can see from your walls, tall buildings. You're out there already, but domestic glass in houses is something where you're not at. So this show is perfect.
Thank you very much. That's you pointed me the right direction there. Yeah. Well, we started 33 years ago in the marine market. Cross-channel ferries, cruise ships, and we still do loads and loads of cruise ships every year, managed by our subsidiary in Holland. That's where we do that. So we've gone from marine to land-based buildings, high-rise, low-rise, everything. And what we're doing here, we're taking that industrial package that we've developed on ships and buildings and adapting not the technology, because it's the same materials that are used on the high-rise buildings, adapted the messages and everything for the domestic sector. So the idea now is we take all those track records, all that background, go to the homeowner and say, look, have we got have we got a deal for you? What's your biggest issue maintaining glass, stainless steel, whatever around the home? And we offer the solution.
Now, having clean windows in your home is so important, and something we all hate is cleaning our windows. So this product reduces the amount of times you have to do that.
It reduces the frequency. On average, if you look at it across the board, by half.
Oh wow!
Some it'll be 90% reduction. Depends on the location. Some it may be 10%. Like if you're near the seaside. But you'll always be able to get it back to its original appearance. Always, guaranteed.
And you renovate as well, so really badly stained glass you can bring back to life.
Like, say, glass where you have runoff from lead flashing on a conservatory, or stone or brickwork running onto the glass, and it actually stains it and you can't see through it after a while. We can get that back to its original. So we're talking about the prevention, preventing that from happening in the first place by catching it at the factory, treating it at the factory, or renovating, or the cure, we call it the cure, getting it back to square one and then keeping it that way.
And is this treatment long lasting?
It's the most durable we know. You're talking about, say, exterior vertical glazing, on average 15 years. But then the nice thing is you can reapply it if it happened to wear off in 10 years because you're facing the sea, or if you're in a country area on a hillside and it lasts 20 years, you can still reapply it.
Wow. So behind us we have an example of a window which has this on it, and it really is this good. As you can see, this is the treated glass. It just completely runs off.
In general, yes, but again, it depends on the atmospheric pollution. But it's not self-cleaning. I don't think anything is.
Yet.
but not yet, not yet.
That can be your next invention.
We'll think about it.
Well, I have to say thank you very much for talking to us, and I do hope you get everything you want out of the show this year as well.
Thank you very much. Could I just add one more thing?
You certainly can.
And that is that as a part of what you reminded me of, the domestic or residential market,
Yeah.
because a lot of the people here are installers or fitters, we're introducing what we call the one-stop shop. So it's taking all these things about renovation, protection, and maintenance,
Yeah.
putting it under one umbrella that we can, through the installer, through the fitter, offer all these services, calling it the one-stop shop.
Wonderful. So let's not forget that. The one-stop shop. Come and see Ritec. Stand 205.
Right away.
Lovely. Well, thank you very much, Stephen.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.